You, you, and you all are fired. And you are getting promoted. Can you explain me how did you get promoted?
Simple, because I've been using ChatGPT and other AI tools, I'm being able to do all of that work single-handedly.
And who taught you all this?
This guy.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I am going to cover the difference between where and having clause. But before starting, let me tell you, we have two ways of filtering data in SQL by where clause and by having clause, right? That's why a lot of people are confused when to use the where clause and when to use the having clause. So guys, in this video, I am going to solve that problem with an example. So I have this employee table over here, in which I have the employee ID, name, department ID, salary, and manager ID. So I have employees from two departments over here, department ID 100 and department ID 200, along with their salaries. Okay. So for an example, if I want to find out only the employees having salary greater than 10,000, what I am going to do is I am going to apply a where clause over here. So I'm going to just give a condition where salary greater than 10,000. Now, for an explanation, what this where clause will do, where clause will go to each and every row and will try to figure out, is the salary greater than 10,000 or not? If salary is greater than 10,000, it will give the result, unless it will not. So for the employee ID one, it will not give the result as the salary is 10,000, not greater than it is. For employee ID 2, you can see the salary is greater than 10,000. That way it will give the result. So the where clause will simply go to each and every row and filter the data. So let me quickly run this. See, where clause have gone to each and every row and filter all of this data, right? But now think of a situation, right, in which you have to find out, let's say you have to find out the departments having average salary greater than 10,000, right? Now, for this, you can't just go to this row and say, by just knowing this row, you cannot say the average salary of this department ID 100 over here, is greater than 10,000 or not, right? You have to take the aggregate of these four rows, and after that, you will be able to tell whether the average salary is greater than 10,000 or not, right? So, whenever we have to use any kind of aggregation while filtering the data, we will use having clause. So let me just write a query. Okay, select department ID and we have to find the average of salary, right? So we will write average function, average of salary over here from the employee table. Now I have to give a condition having, what is the condition? Having this average salary as greater than 10K, right? I have just given the condition having the average salary greater than 10,000 over here. So when I have to group by as well. Group by department ID. Okay. So guys, can you see there are two departments, both the departments have the salary greater than 10,000, and that's why both of them are showing up in the result, right? So that's the difference between where clause and having clause. Where clause will go to each and every row to filter out the data, while having clause is used when we have to find aggregate of something, right? Okay, what if if I use aggregate function while using where clause only? So let me just modify this query over here and let me just show you what will happen. So guys, if I want to let me just run this. So guys, if I want to find out the average salary, okay, if I just give an average function over here, let's see what will happen over here. If I just give an average function over here while using where, let's see what happens. So guys, it has given me an error stating that basically you cannot use average functions or kind of aggregate functions while using the where clause. Okay. So any kind of grouping, whenever we have to group the data and provide any kind of aggregation, we have to use the having clause unless we can use the where clause. Okay. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys.